Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop for another episode where we keep pushing forward with the CR18P build. If you missed the last video, we did some maintenance by swapping out those stock bushings for proper bearings and greasing up the internals. In this episode, we're finally getting rid of these annoying body clips. You'll see in a second exactly how much of a hassle they are for me today. I honestly can't wait to get rid of them. To get started, I need to detach the body first so we can see what we're working with and get to the mount itself. Okay, we're upgrading to these custom 3D printed magnetic body mounts. They're designed specifically for the van to replace the pins entirely. I'll drop a link in the description so you can find exactly where to pick these up for yourself. Now, let's get the old mechanism off. I just need to back out a few screws with a Phillips screwdriver to get the parts loose. I did a quick weigh-in, and we're adding about 8 grams with this new system. The print quality is really good, and the dimensions are spot on. Guys, I'm telling you, this is an amazing update. If I were forced to pick just one single upgrade for this van, if I were limited to only one thing, I truly believe this would be it. It's a total game changer. Because you have to get under the body so often just to hit the power button or charge the battery, the impact this has on the overall experience is massive. It's essentially a must-do update. And honestly, it's probably the first thing you should do when you get a van like this. I'm super satisfied with how this turned out. The latch feels solid, the magnets are perfectly strong, and they are very satisfying to use. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we're finally going to get some new tires and wheels on this thing.